AI is revolutionizing industries faster than ever, but is it replacing human jobs? Spoiler, it already is. Let's explore the top 5 AI tools transforming the job market and why you need to adapt. First up, AI writers like ChatGPT and Jasper. These tools generate blogs, articles, and even ad copies in seconds. Companies are turning to AI to cut costs, which means fewer opportunities for human content creators. AI tools like DALL-E and Midjourney can create stunning visual designs and illustrations in moments. Logos, banners, and even concept art can now be automated, impacting freelance designers and creative agencies. Customer support has gone AI with tools like ChatGPT-powered chatbots. They handle FAQs, complaints, and support tickets 24/7 without the need for breaks or paychecks. AI coders like GitHub Copilot are assisting developers by writing and debugging code. While AI isn't replacing programmers yet, it's reducing the need for junior-level coders. Video editing is another area where AI shines. Tools like Runway and Pictory automate cutting, color grading, and even adding effects. Video editors, especially freelancers, might feel the heat. So, will AI completely replace humans? Not entirely. The key is learning how to collaborate with AI and focus on skills that machines can't replicate: empathy, creativity, and critical thinking. Which of these tools surprised you the most? Comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos on the future of AI and technology.